Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to turn on login alerts in your Instagram notifications, making your account more secure by getting notified whenever there's a new login attempt. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines. This will open up a menu with more options. From here, select Account Center. The Account Center is where Instagram brings together all your security and account settings for easier access and control. Inside the Account Center, tap on Password and Security. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe, and it's where you can manage all your login and password settings. Next, find and tap on Login Alert. This feature is designed to notify you if someone tries to log into your account from a device or location that Instagram doesn't recognize. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your account protected. Now, you'll see a list of accounts connected to your account center. Choose the Instagram account you want to protect. Then, turn on the Login Alert option. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once enabled, you'll receive a notification every time there's a login from a new device or location. If you ever see a login you don't recognize, take action right away by changing your password and reviewing your account's security settings. That's it. You've just added an extra layer of security to your Instagram account. Keeping login alerts enabled helps you stay one step ahead of any suspicious activity, so you can enjoy Instagram with greater peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.